Cleaning up. You gonna catch a squirrel?
Don't you look at the feet.
Ooh.
Stop. Tariq, I'm serious. That's not funny to
Okay,
me.
okay. All right.
You got the nerve to talk about somebody's
Ah, a
feet.
mosquito got me.
No, come here.
Don't spray it over the sandwich.
Oh, I'm sorry to know you. What are you filming? What are you filming? You better stop.
Hold on. Give me.
My feet don't look that bad. My feet don't look that bad. The paint's chipped. That's why it looks like that.
I was gonna spray it for you.
It's cold. You just spraying it because you know it's cold.
Come here, Tariq. Come here. Oh.
Already got it.
Come here. Let me see your arms. So you got your arms like this. Both your arms. Come on, both your arms. Go both your arms like this.
There you
like
go.
That. Move your face. Hold your arms up. Okay.
I'm gonna spray him. I'm gonna spray him.
You gonna spray Linnell? No, you may spray her in the face.
I bet you like that, wouldn't you?
No.
I'm not filming. But you like that, wouldn't you?
No.